Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to this new tutorial where I'm gonna teach you some basic TOPROCKS. Why did I wait so much before teaching you TOPROCKS? Actually because I feel like my TOPROCKS are not the best, but I'm improving them. I feel more comfortable teaching power moves and footworks, but I'm sure I'm still able to teach you some basic TOPROCKS. If you wanna be more advanced in TOPROCKS, I will recommend you some other tutorials. I will put some links in the description, but for some basics you can easily follow also this tutorial. So TOPROCKS are the stand-up part in breaking, and this is for now the only tutorial that I will do about TOPROCKS, so I'm gonna teach 3 TOPROCKS. The first one is very simple. Is usually what you learn when you start breaking, and it's called the Indian step. You start in this position, just standing up. First I'm gonna teach you only the feet and then adding the arms later. So I'm gonna start with a little hop, like this. After that, with my right leg, I'm gonna go to the left side, moving like this. If you want, you can turn your foot towards the right side. So don't put it straight like this, but turn a little bit your knee and your foot in this way. Your weight right now is in the middle, a little bit forward. So it's not like that, the weight, but more like that. So again, 1, 2. From here, you come back to the central position by jumping a little bit, hopping. Like this. 1, 2, 3, and then going to the other side. 4, weight in the middle. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now adding the arms. You can use the arms in different way, but the basic way to use the arms is this one. When you are in this position here, your arms are straight in front of you, like this. And when you go to the side, you open them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want, you can close your hands here and open your hands when you open your arms. But it's up to you to create your own form with the arms. This is just the basic way. So again, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the beginning you will feel very stiff, especially with your shoulder, your back and your neck, and it will look like a little bit robotic. But with the time, try to relax your shoulders, your neck. Second TOPROCK, it's called Salsa step. It's also very easy. You're gonna start in the same position, and I'm gonna start with my right leg. I'm gonna do a hop like before, and with the right leg I'm gonna go to my right side. So 1, 2. Also here the weight is in the middle. It's not like this, it's not too much like this, but it's in the middle. From here I'm gonna hop back like this and go to the other side like this and hop back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With your legs, instead of putting them straight like this, you can add a form with your legs. For example, you can bend a little bit more one of your legs, so kind of like this, in this position, instead of going straight, that it looks more stiff in this way. 1, 2, and I'm doing this with my left leg. And I'm also lifting up my left heel. Then from here I jump back and I do the same with this leg, to add a little bit of form, flavor into this step and not make it look too much robotic. We are gonna add a little detail, a kick. If we are gonna start going to the right side, we're gonna start by kicking with the left leg. So from here, kick your left leg, then put it on the floor and do the same going to the right side, so like this. From here, you're gonna kick the right leg, so like this. Put it on the floor and going to my left side, like this. From here, kicking the left again, like this, and repeating the step over and over again. So again, kick and move. Kick and move. Kick and move. Kick and move. Last part, we are gonna add the arms that are doing the same thing as the step before. Straighten them like this and then opening them when you are on the side. So slowly, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now a little bit faster. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Last top rock that I'm gonna teach you in this tutorial is the Indian step crossover. It's the hardest one in my opinion. I'm gonna start with my right leg. I'm gonna kick it like this, then lean it on the floor and switch my legs so the left leg is in the air and it turns towards the right side and you jump and you lift up the right again. And from here you go back, you lift it up, you kick the left, you switch, you turn the right, you jump and you lift your left leg. So again, slowly it goes like that. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. The arms in this step are a little bit different. Mostly you use them kinda like running. So be loose with your arms and use them kinda like this. So they're just doing this like running. They should move very spontaneously. You should be relaxed, comfortable. Again, slowly. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. One more time, a little bit faster, and then normal speed. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now a little bit faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So these are just 3 basic top rocks. I think I will not make for now more tutorials about top rocks. First I have to improve them, but if you want, as I told you, I will put in the description some more links about top rocks. I think this is one of the last tutorials for beginners, and then I will move on with intermediate moves. If you have any question, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want me to analyze your videos or to be coached by me, check out my Patreon link in the description. And also, if you are interested, check out my merch, link in the description. See you next week with a new tutorial. Yo ninjas!